Welcome to day 13 of my 25 days of Christmas. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy piece of holiday decor. This is a great way to reuse an old piece of material. You need an old shutter, large wooden letters, small wooden letters, snowflake stickers, white paint, a foam brush, blue spray paint, and Christmas floral sprays. Start by wiping off the shutter and giving it a light sanding. Remove any dust and give it an even coat with your spray paint. While it dried, I painted my letters white. Now add each piece to the shutter with your glue gun. I use Gorilla Glue sticks for a stronger bond. This will be a great staple piece to sit right outside your front door. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.